Hello students. In this lecture we are going to discuss about the topic circle. What is a circle? Circle is basically a set of points in a plane. Set of points in a plane that are at a fixed distance, clear, and that fixed distance is called radius, and radius is denoted by r from a fixed point. So we are talking about three things here. First, we are talking about the fixed distance. Then we are talking about it is called radius, this fixed distance, and this fixed distance is from a fixed point. Clear? And this fixed point is called the center. Clear? So if this is the point, this is the center. If we are taking, say, this distance, this distance, this distance, this distance, this distance, this distance, this distance. If you join these points, clear, then the structure thus formed is called a circle. Clear? So we will learn it by the CNTER. Learn it by the like this type of structure is called circle. This is the circle. And this is the fixed point, and this fixed point is called this is the, you can say, fixed point, okay, and this is called the center. And this distance, look, this distance, you move any direction, this distance, or this distance. This distance is the fixed distance. It is always same in a circle. Fixed distance, and this fixed distance is called radius. And this radius is denoted by r. Here the center is denoted by capital O. Clear? And this outer surface is called the circumference. Clear? So there are four things I explained you. What is the first thing I explained you? That this is the center, this midpoint is the center, and this dotted distance, it is the same equal distance. So a set of points, this is the set of points, clear, in a plane that are at a fixed distance. This distance is fixed from the center, and this fixed distance is called the radius from a fixed point, and this fixed point is called the center. This is the circle. So a circle is a set of points in a plane that are at a fixed distance from a fixed point O. Okay, so this is called the circle. Now some of the definitions I want to mention for you. The radius, this is the first definition. What is the radius? It is the distance from the center to any point on the circumference. It's called the radius. Clear? If this is the circle, This is the circle. This is the fixed point, center. Clear? Then this distance, this center to circumference, this distance, this distance, this distance, this distance. All distances are same, and this distance is called radius. Clear? And this distance is from center to circumference. This outer is called circumference. This is called the circumference. Okay. Now the another term comes in our discussion is diameter. What is the diameter? After radius, and radius, this radius is denoted by r. Clear? So the diameter and diameter is denoted by d. The diameter is a line, is the line connects 2 points, connects 2 points on the circumference. Circumference, on the circumference, passing through the center. Passing through the center. So what do you mean by diameter? If this is the circle, please listen carefully. This is the circle, this is the fixed point, center. Clear? Then he is talking diameter is a line, it is a line. Connect 2 points on the circumference. It is connecting here, and it is passing through center. This is the diameter. This is diameter, or in another form color I can mention here. This is also the diameter because this is the line that connecting 2 points. This is also the line that connecting 2 points. All these are diameter. So in a circle there are infinite number of diameters. Clear? And what do you mean by diameter? Diameter, it is d is equal to, look, this is radius, and this is also radius. Then it is clubbing, it is equal to d. That means d is equal to r plus r, and r plus r is 2r. So please remember, diameter is equal to 2 times of radius, or sometimes diameter is given, so radius is equal to d upon 2. This formula you need to remember. Diameter is the double of radius, or radius is the half of diameter. This is very important thing that we will use in questions. Now the one more definition, that is chord. What is a chord? Chord of circle. Chord of circle also a line. The chord of a circle is a line that connects same to same, that connects the 2 points, that connects the 2 points on the circumference. That connects the 2 points on the circumference, but not pass through the center. So it is same. Chord is just like diameter. What is the difference only? The difference only is it is not passing through the center. This is the circle, this is the center. Clear? So this is chord because it is connecting this point and this point. This is another chord. This is another chord. This is another chord. This is another chord. These are all chords. This is one type of direction I am making. Clear? This is no. This is also chord. This is also chord. This is chord. All these are chords because these are connecting 2 points on the circumference and not passing from the center. These are all called chords. Clear? Now there are two things, two important things that we will discuss on the next paper. This is area of the circle. Area of the circle. Area of the circle. If the radius of the circle is r, if the radius of the circle is r, just a minute please. Okay, if the radius of the circle is r, then area equals to denoted by capital A, and it is equal to pi r power 2, the radius power 2, radius square. And here you need to remember the value of pi. Either we are using 22/7 or we are using 3.14. Remember, pi is an irrational number. Okay, this is area of the circumference. Now, circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. Circumference means the outer line. This is, so this is this outer line, the length of this outer line is called circumference. Clear? If r is the radius, if the radius of the circle is r, then circumference denoted by capital C is 2 pi into r. This is, and because 2 into r is d, so sometimes it is denoted by pi d also. Clear? Because diameter d is equal to twice of radius. These two formulae you need to remember while solving the questions. Okay, so this is about the circle. Okay, now we will solve some questions here. Example number 1. Example number 1 is the radius means r of a circle is 14 centimeter. That means if this is the circle, then this distance here to here, it is 14. This is O, this is point A. This distance is 14 centimeter. Clear? So we need to find two things, the area, and area is equal to how much? It is A, and the formula is pi r power 2. Pi means 22/7 into r means 14 power 2. So you can use 22/7 into 14 into 14. Clear? 7, if you will simplify this, 14 divided 7 is 2. So how much it is? 22 times 2 into 14. Now we need to multiply. 22 times 2 is 44. So multiply 44 by 14. 4 times 4 is 16, 1 carry. 4 times 4 is 16 and 1, 17. 1 times 4, this is cross, 1 times 4 and 1 times 4. So 6, 7, 4, 11, 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5 and 1, 6. So it is, area is 616 because the unit was centimeter here. So the unit of area is centimeter square. This is 616 is the answer. Okay, and number 2 is circumference. circumference. Circumference is C. It is 2 pi r. 2 times 22 upon 7 times r is 14. Now 7 times 2 is 14. So it is 2 times 22 times 2. So it is 88 centimeter. So if this is 14, so this length, this is called circumference. This length of circumference A to A is 88 centimeter. This you need to remember. Okay. So this is one type of question when radius is given and you ask the area and circumference of the circle. Now another question is, if they ask you, like let us say question number 2. Clear? Here we will make it half. Okay, half means now circle will be like, if this is the diameter, so the circle will be half only. This is the fixed point and this is the r, radius. Clear? So if half circle is there, okay, let us write the what is the radius they have given. So if the radius of the circle is how much? 5.2 centimeter. Okay, find the area of half circle and the, if this is A, B, then and its circular arc. Circular arc means this is this arc. This is straight line. This is base. So no, we need to find only this length, half. So half area we need to find, half circumference we need to find. So the area of half circle, how much it was? Area pi r square. So we will multiply by half. So the formula is only half pi r square. Previously it was pi r power 2. Pi r power 2 was the area. Because circle is half, so we will make it half, 1 by 2. So what will be the answer? 1 by 2 into 22 upon 7 into value of r, 5.2 square. Now you need to multiply and simplify this. And after simplify, what you will get? You will get the answer as 42.45 centimeter square. So you need to multiply half here to get the area of half circle. And if this is arc AB, yeah, or circular arc, of half circle. So it will be, what was? It was 2 pi r. So we will multiply by 1 upon 2. 2 cancel. So what is the answer? Pi r only. Pi means 22 upon 7 into 5.2. So if you will multiply all these things, you will get 16.33 centimeter. So there is nothing difficult in this. These are very simple questions. Only you need to remember it. Look, if this is the circle, so it is half. This is half circle. But if I divide it again, then it is called a quarter circle. Quarter circle. Clear? So quarter means 1 upon 4. So here it will be same. Area will be pi r square, but 1 upon 4. Area of a quarter of a circle. Clear? And circumference of a quarter circle is equal to arc length or circular arc of quarter. Quarter means this is quarter. 1/4 is equal to 1 upon 4 of 2 pi r. This is, now you need to put the value of r and you will get the answer. You solve any question. This is important note. You need to remember. So the type of question is same to same. It is not difficult. Okay. So in another form, formula for the circle we can discuss here is, if, now please note down this. This is very, very important about the circle. Clear? If we want to find the area of a sector means part, sector of a circle. Clear? If we want to find the area and circular arc, clear, circle such that the circular arc making an angle theta at the center. That means what? That means this was the like, this is the circle, this is the fixed point, this is the radius. Clear? And we want to know the area of this part only. This is this part area. Clear? And we know the angle here. What is the angle here? If this angle is theta degree, clear? This is radius because this point is O. Then what is the area and what is this circular arc AB? These are the two important things. Clear? So in this area will be, it is theta upon 360 degree. This is theta upon 360 degree. Okay, so into pi r square. So this is the formula. You need to multiply pi r square by theta upon 360 degree. And similarly, the arc AB. Clear? Arc AB. That means part of circumference is equal to theta upon 360 degree and 2 pi r. Understand or not understand? This is the formula. Clear? If you want to just verify all these things for the circle or for the half circle, for the quarter circle, clear? We can verify this. Like if you want to verify these things for half circle, whether whatever the formula I have mentioned is correct or not, we can verify all these things. So you can see here, this is the This is the semicircle, and this is point O, this is point A, this is point B. And my dear friends, how much this angle? This angle is 180 degree. Clear? Because this angle is 180 degrees, so what will be the area? Area will be the value of theta 180 degree upon 360 into pi r power 2. If you will divide it, it is 0 cancelled by 0, and 18 times 1 is 18, 18 times 2 is 360, means 36, 1 by 2 pi r square. The same formula we took for half circle. And arc length means this one, this circumference, this is the arc length. This is arc length, means arc AB. How much is the angle? It is 180 degree. And what was the formula? Divide by 360 into 2 pi r. So 180 by 360 is 1 upon 2. It is 2 pi r. Understand? And note I want to mention, you can verify, for a quarter circle as well. What is the angle of a quarter circle? Angle of a quarter circle, this is the quarter circle. Clear? So angle of a quarter circle is 90 degree. This is O, this is A, and this is B. This is the quarter of a circle. Clear? So this is how you can get it. This is very simple. It is not very difficult. Arc length is only the means. If you want to find this area, you can call it sector area or the arc length. Okay. So question is, for the given figure, find. Okay, what is the given figure? This is, and this is the arc length. Okay, this is O, this is A, this is B, and what is this? Radius. Radius is 8 centimeter, and this angle is 60 degree. Clear? So what we need to find? First we need to find the sector area. This is sector. Sector area. Sector area is theta upon 360 into pi r power 2. This is the formula. What is the angle of the sector? It is 60. 360 into pi is 22 upon 22 upon 7 into r square, 8 power 2. And if you will multiply it, it will be 0 cancelled by 0, 6 times 1 and 6 times 6 is 36 into 22 upon 7 into 8 into 8. Clear? Now you need to multiply. You need to multiply and simplify. And after simplifying, you will get 33.5 centimeter square. This is the answer for sector area. And if you want to find the arc length AB, what is the formula? It is theta upon 360 degree and 2 pi r. Theta is 60 upon 360 and it is 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r is 8. Clear? So if you will multiply it, it will be 1 upon 6. So 1 upon 6 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into 8, and it will be equal to 8.4 centimeter. So if this is 8, this length is 8.2. Okay. So this is how to find the sector area. Clear? But what happened? Sometimes the area is not given in the degrees. Sometimes the angle is given in terms of radian, because angle is measured in two things. As angle is measured in two ways. What are the two ways? The two ways are degree and radian. So if radian is there, then there is one another formula. So note, if you want to note it here, if the angles are given in terms of radian, then if the angle is given in terms of radian, then what is the answer? Then the sector area is equal to sector area equals to 1 upon the theta c and r power 2. This is the formula. Theta c means the radian value of the angle into r power 2, and the arc length will be equal to theta power c and r. This is the formula. Clear? So like one question we can say, if the triangle is, if the circle is, if this is, and if let us say this is little bit inclined, okay, we'll make it complete. Yes, little more. Okay, now this is the arc length. This is the arc length. Okay, this is O, this is A, this is B. And what is this length? This is 6.4 centimeter. And this angle is 2.1 radian. 2.1 radian. In place of degree, the value is given in radian. 2.1 C. It is not degree, it is 2.1 C. Okay. Then in such a case, the sector area means the area of this part of circle will be equal to 1 upon theta power c r power 2. That means 1 upon 2 into 2.1 into 6.4 power 2. Clear? And if you will multiply all of these things, what you will get? It will be 1 upon 2 into 2.1 into 6.4 into 6.4, and that equals to 43 centimeter square if you will multiply it. Okay, and in this case the arc length will be equal to theta power c into r. Theta power c is 2.1 and r is 6.4, and if you will multiply, it will be 13.4 centimeter. Clear? So this is about the two things. In the end, I will say it is about the two things. One is the area of the circle, another is the circumference. If we are talking about the area of the circle, then the area of the circle is pi r power 2. And if we are talking about the circumference, it is 2 pi r. This is area and this is circumference. Clear? This is about the circle. Now if we are taking for half circle, it will be half. These values were for circle. These values were for half circle. And if we were taking quarter circle, quarter means 1/4. So it is 1/4 of pi r power 2, 1/4 2 pi r. Class clear? But if the sector is given in form of angle, then it is very simple. Not circumference, it is the arc length. Arc length. It is how much? Theta degree upon 360 degree. Pi r square and theta degree upon 360 degree. 2 pi r. Class. These are the formulae. Okay. But if it is given in terms of say radian, then it will be theta power c upon 2 pi into pi r square, and it will be theta power c upon 2 pi because it is in radian, so 2 pi r, and it is equal to, if you cancel pi, so it is 1 upon 2 theta power c r power 2, and here 2 pi cancel, theta power c into r. This is about the area and arc length of the circle. Clear? So that's all for this lecture. Now the next lecture will be the last lecture for the basic mathematics, and in that lecture we will study the equation of circle. Thank you very much.